Your team for Nelson Makwaba at the Bami channel. So, tell you when Dano may interview characters in the scene. And I'm a character maybe interview, he's one of the finest YouTubers and his name is Kwadwo Sheldon. But before then, Kwadwo Sheldon was saying so I want him to repeat the game. Kwadwo, now see Tino,
it's big for a reason.
But I mean, who so food? No, before the Fadia. Now then, I will see a bit more because where they are no show.
I don't know why we are dragging Medical and Wendy Shay.
I haven't heard of it. What are they dragging Medical and Wendy Shay for?
For this particular issue, it doesn't make sense.
Which issue are you talking about?
T-Pain posted, I think, a TikTok video.
And what is T-Pain's video about?
According to him, no, he doesn't know how the DM thing operates, so he has not even checked that side. So he decided to make a video, took a screenshot of the thing, like all the people that have sent him DM.
Oh, I see. But what has that got to do with Medical and Wendy Shay?
And people go to say, oh, Wendy Shay, then Medical wanna select for you, them day inside.
And what did Medical and Wendy Shay do in the screenshot?
Now, Medical go DM your man say, you my idol, I'm coming to the States.
Okay, but if Medical texted T-Pain that he's coming to the United States, I don't see anything wrong with it. Or what do you think?
I don't know if T-Pain the immigration officer, why they tell us say he go. I don't know.
But you and I know say T-Pain no be an immigration officer. And what did Wendy Shay also say?
Wendy Shay won't be what? Make her read this what? Hello, Pain. My name is Wendy Shay. I'm a big fan.
What has T-Pain also done about the DMs?
T-Pain has replied Medical though. Low battery.
And what reply did T-Pain give to Medical?
T-Pain replied the DM by saying, wow, I can't believe I missed this. Sorry about that. Better late than never. But yeah, let me know if you need anything from me in the near future. And I promise I'll be checking my DMs.
That is a very powerful message from T-Pain to Medical. So what do you have to tell those dragging Medical?
So many who want to one sorry, celebrities all going now. What DM for Momo?
Now that T-Pain has replied Medical, what do you think of it?
This could lead to a collaboration.
But what do you think this is going to lead us to?
I don't know where this thing is going to lead us to, but maybe we are going to get a collaboration. T-Pain featuring or Medical featuring T-Pain. What do you say?
Yeah, Matthias here, but do you think it was necessary for Medical to post the screenshot of his DM?
I feel like that screenshot Medical posted was needless though.
So what do you want to tell Medical, Wendy Shay and other celebrities?
Me see you don't owe anybody anything. No. Medical do it stressing body. Like if you burn everybody.
Now that you've said your mind, I want you to repeat what you usually say before we end the interview.
The head is big for a reason.
Now that he has said what he usually said, my viewers, this is the end of our interview. And as I always say, if you enjoy viewing this interview, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel so that I can continuously be bringing you good videos and interviews. Thank you for wasting your time to watch this video. Bye.